This is an older video that Mike sent me the other day. It's a window smash. It's probably the best window smash I've seen ever of all the soft videos I've done. This window smash it's epic. Anyway, this guy he had stopped by the cops for usual nonsense, and he decided to play hardball. Cops didn't take kindly to it, and they broke his window. You gotta watch your window. It's epic. Tell me what you think about it.
Already explained it.
No. Okay, so, officer, what's your name and badge number, please?
See, it's Foley.
I can't see it because your walkie-talkie's in the way.
Foley.
What's your first name and last name?
Don't have to tell you that. Don't have to tell you that.
This is going to result in a complaint.
Well, if you start like that with your conversation with the officer, you're not going to get very far with him. I'm just saying, people's skills in this regard, they kind of suck, and you're probably going to regret it a bit later.
Yeah, brother,
So,
I'm asking
what I
you
need
for
to-
your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Could I have your card, please?
Say again?
Could I have your employee card?
No, you may not. I need your
Why not?
driver's license and proof of insurance.
Okay, if I can't have your, if I can't have that, could you get in contact with your
Listen
supervisor,
to me.
please?
Why do they always ask for a supervisor? First of all, most states you're not required to get a supervisor for them. That's just if they want to, they'll call a supervisor, but they don't have to do it. That's in most states. I don't actually know of a state that you have to have a supervisor on site if they ask for one. If you know which state does that, let me know. I don't know about it, but anyway, what is a supervisor going to do? Get on site and say, yeah, my officer is just a dummy. He made a mistake. He should never have stopped you. You know, please forgive him. Be on your way. Doesn't happen that way. And it's not going to happen that way either.
I am asking, I'm giving you a lawful order. That's not a lawful order. Yes, I'm asking you for your...
All right, now the softset is explaining his sophistology to the officer. And the original poster sped up that bit. So we've got about a minute or so of the guy sounding like a squirrel. But that's just to save you all that sophistology nonsense that he's spewing at this point in time. Let's bear through that and see what happens on the other side.
I'm going to read something to you. Ex parte in Dickey. This is Dickey versus Davis. Every citizen has an unalienable right to make use of the public highways of the state. Every citizen has full freedom to travel from place to place in the enjoyment of life and liberty. People versus Nuthouse. This is 147 Colorado. No state government entity has the power to allow or deny passage on the highways, byways, nor waterways transporting his vehicles and personal property for either recreation or business, but by being subject only to local regulations, safety, caution, traffic lights, speed limits. Travel is not a privilege requiring licensing, vehicle registration, or forced insurances. I need your driver's license. Further, insurance for the vehicle. The term motor vehicle means every description of carriage or other contrivance propelled or drawn by
Keep
mechanical
on
power
going.
and or used for
Keep
commercial
on
purposes
going.
on the highways. The term used for commercial purposes means the carriage of persons or property of
Window
any
break
fare,
is gonna be
fee,
worth it, I
rate,
promise
charge,
you.
or other
Stay for
consideration,
window
or
break.
directly
It's
or
gonna be
indirectly
worth
in
it.
connection with any business
It's
or
an epic window
automobile for
break.
hire as a motor vehicle, other than an automobile stage used for transportation of persons for which remuneration is received.
Yeah, if you could listen, if you could follow that conversation with it being sped up, he's given a few interesting scenarios there that's not really factually correct. But anyway, they're back to normal speed. Let's follow from here on.
A private automobile, sir. This is why I don't have tags or registration. In fact, I've already gone through this and had my actual plate stolen by an officer. So I'm already dealing with a situation like this, and I would like to preserve your employment.
Isn't that nice of him? He's such a good guy. Concerned about the cops' employment. Gives me a fuzzy feeling.
I'm trying to allow you to do the right thing here. I'm trying to help you.
I haven't even told
I'm-
you if I'm writing you a
I'm
citation.
it doesn't-
I don't understand the problem.
But
that
you're
not
detaining me
just
right now.
allowing you
You're
your
detaining me.
driver's license,
I'm
which
going to
is a
read.
lawful request
I'm going to
for
read.
everybody
I'm going to
comply.
read Title 18 for you.
A properly equipped
Because you
license
need
plate.
to know this. Because I want you to be on the side of the people. I want you to be on our side. I want you to do the right thing.
No rights are being violated.
They are being. They
I'm
are.
on the side of that.
Based on what I just told you.
As per normal, take your fight to the courts. Don't fight with a cop on the side of the road. Cop can do nothing for you. He can do nothing for you. He has to he has to enforce the law as it stands on the books at that time. And that is what the cop is doing. You don't like it. I get it. But go to court. Sort it out there. Cop can do nothing for you once again.
So what I just told you, you are
just
violating my right because that was
yammering on.
Constitution.
It's not
That was
helping you right
constitutional
now.
law. That was
Currently,
Supreme
you're
Court law.
obstructing my duty.
I am not.
Unless you would like
I
to
am
go
not.
to jail, you can
I am
hand me
not.
your driver's
I am
license,
not
registration, and
obstructing.
proof of
I am not
insurance.
obstructing anything. I'll show you my driver's license.
I've
Although,
been asking for it.
although-
I need you to give it to me
although,
now.
although, I know for a
no,
fact.
Stop talking. I need it now.
One moment. I'm
need it
gonna
now.
look up this law.
Like this cop, he's not taking any nonsense from this guy. That's the way it should be.
We're going to be patient. We're going to be
All right,
patient.
all right, we're done. Go ahead and step out. Go ahead and step
Sir.
out or I'm going to smash this windshield.
Sir, please don't
I'm
smash
gonna
my
smash
window.
this windshield and
You're
remove you.
You're breaking the law.
Vehicle.
Do not do that.
Listen to me.
Exit the
Listen to
vehicle.
me.
One moment.
Exit the vehicle
Sir, excuse
right
me.
now,
Could you
or
call
I'm gonna
your
bust
supervisor,
this
please?
windshield out.
Could you call your
And
supervisor,
exit-
please?
We're past that.
I have no contract with you.
past it.
Please don't do that.
He's got a bit of a Michael Jackson thing going there with a glove. If I could suggest anything to this guy, if I were in a position to do so, I'd say, yeah, listen to the cops. Get out. It's not going to end well for you if you don't do that. Obviously, he's not going to get out because this is an amazing window break. You'll see it in a minute, yeah. It's amazing.
Please don't do that. We're not past anything because I haven't
Past
committed
it.
a crime.
Exit the vehicle
Why are you trying to ruin my
immediately.
life?
You're busy ruining your own life. That's just what it is.
I'm
Why are you
gonna
trying to
bust
ruin my
this
life?
window out,
Do not
which
damage my
possibly will end
property.
up cutting you.
Do not damage my property.
Step out of the
Do
vehicle. Step out
not
of
damage
the
my
vehicle.
property. Do not damage
Step
my
out of the
property.
vehicle.
Do not damage my property.
Unlock it and step out.
Do not damage my property.
Unlock your truck and step
You are
out.
not giving me a lawful order.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You are not the law.
You're under arrest.
You are not the law. You are breaking the law.
This guy is delusional, like Softset are. They are totally delusional.
You are breaking the law. Call your supervisor, please.
Nope, I don't have to.
Sir,
do
please
that.
call your supervisor. Yes, you
I
do.
do not have to do that.
I'm going to
Unlock
record
the
this
car.
live on YouTube
Ready?
right now.
All right.
What the fuck? What the?
Now, is that an epic window break or is that an epic window? I've never seen something like that. This is amazing. Oh boy, this is amazing. You gotta agree with me. This is amazing epic window break.
Why are you doing this to me?
I can't explain this shit to you.
This snowflake is gonna need therapy for the rest of his life. I don't know.
Get out.
What are you doing
Get out of
to
the
me?
vehicle right
We
now.
told you. You're under arrest. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're breaking the law. You're breaking the law. You're breaking the law.
Get tased. Get out.
I have a gun right here. Stop. I have a gun right here. Stop. I have a gun right here. Stop. Please. What are you doing?
Right now, you're gonna get tased. Hands up.
I'm
Hands
out.
up.
I'm out.
Hands up. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Please stop.
Not back
Please
towards
stop.
the vehicle.
Please stop. Please stop this. Please stop this. Please stop this.
Do anything, you're gonna get tased. I don't know how many other times I had to explain this shit.
I didn't break any laws.
I don't know. This is that was an amazing window.
Please don't take me. You don't have the right to do this. You're under arrest.
Yeah, so he went from that self-assured, pompous guy in the vehicle to a bit of a puddle on the side of the road now. Once reality hits you, you sort of change your view of life, right? And I think he's just been taught a lesson. You need to listen to the cops. Always good to do that.
Why are you doing? Please take my phone. Please get my phone. Please get my phone.
Your phone will be grabbed in a moment.
What are you?
I'm requesting your driver's license just because there's not a tag on the vehicle. If it's going through the process and you just don't have one right now, we can speak about that. But
No, he said he has a right, you know, the same, I have a right to travel, all that kind of stuff.
yeah, I didn't hear all the travel stuff until we got him back here. He just was refusing to give me anything. Yeah, he said he had a gun in the truck and then he turned towards the truck kind of while we were getting situated.
I guess he didn't say where he was heading.
So he's traveling. When I lit him up, he threw his hands up. He looked super annoyed. And then he started to refer to himself in a negative light using a racial slur. And yeah, that's all that. 10-4, 10-28 by then. 1 Foxtrot, Tango Kilo Romeo, 1 Echo Echo 1 Bravo Papa Alpha 97454, repeating 1 FTK R1 EE 1 BP A97454. I mean, that's a super silly way to read it.
Hey, there may be another 1032 because there's another holster in here.
Yeah. Do you have any blood on you?
I had some on my hand.
He cut his face. I need to get it back.
All right, so that's where the video cut out. This was probably one of the best window brakes I've ever seen, and I've seen hundreds of these videos. This is probably one of the best, if not the best. I mean, that guy was shocked to his core with that when that window, and that cop didn't play with that window. I mean, he smashed that thing like he meant it, and yeah, the poor guy, he's gonna have to go to therapy for the rest of his life, I think. Tell me what you think. You think that's a cool window brake? I think it's an epic window brake. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching with us. Please make sure to like, subscribe, say hi in the comments down there. It does help us a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one.